Okay. Right. Bismillah. Okay, folks. Right, welcome back. This is one of the questions I missed out on the previous videos. We're going to be looking at volume of prisms, grade C questions, Mathswatch CD. We missed that question looking at the trapezoid. So I wanted to make sure we include this particular question in our series of videos. Okay, folks, so let's just want this one question for now. Now, if you want to work out the volume of this trapezoid, we need to look at the face or the shape that this 3D shape is made from. So this 3D shape is made up of a two-dimensional trapezium that's been pushed all the way through by a certain thickness, I call it. So let's label the thickness on there. So the thickness is this measurement here. How thick that particular face has become. Now, so we need to work out the formula for this particular big industrial size skip, our trapezoid. So we say the volume is equal to, so let's go back to our basic principle, the area of the face of the shape multiplied by the thickness T. Okay, right. This part here we're going to color code again. Okay, now a trapezium has a particular area. The area of a trapezium is, we add up the parallel sides divided by 2 and times it by height. So where are our parallel sides? The parallel sides is the bottom and the top. I'm going to label this as A and this top one as B. The height is the perpendicular height, which is this one here, the 2 meters. A is 3 meters, B is 4 meters. Now the thickness is here, how wide it is. Right. Okay, now that we've got the move from the general idea to the specific formula, we're now ready to start literally getting the values from the diagram and putting them into the question, and putting it into the calculator and working it out. So here we go. So A is 3, we've got to add the B value, which is 4. So we do 3, add 4, and then we have to divide it by 2 and times it by the height, which is 2. And then times that all together by the thickness, which is 5 meters. Okay, so that's what the volume is. Now, this kind of question at the moment, the numbers are nice and straightforward, we can deal with them. So 3, add 4 is 7, divided by 2, times by 2. So these two will cancel each other out because they do the opposite of each other. So that will just leave us in the brackets here with 7, and multiply that by 5. So the grand total for the volume is equal to 7 times by 5, which is equal to 35 meters cubed of volume. So let's quickly go through that again. We have this huge skip, a trapezoid. To work out the volume of it, we have to look at the area of the face. What is the area of the actual original shape, which is a trapezium, and multiply that by the thickness. Okay, area of trapezium is, you've got to add up the parallel sides, which is A and B. We divide that by 2, then times it by the height, perpendicular height, and then after we've done the area, we have to multiply that by the thickness. Okay, thickness is, in a sense, another way of looking at is how wide the container is, but I like to call that thickness. So we put all the values in. 3 and 4 is 7, divided by 2, times by 2, these two are opposites, they cancel each other out. Times that by the 5, which is thickness, so we're left with 7 times by 5 is 35 meters cubed. Thank you very much for joining me on this one question, but I thought it was important that we don't miss this kind of question out. Thank you very much, folks. This is to help the students who are coming in for GCSE lessons here, and also for my students at school. Mr. Zubair, Daniel, put the line, make sure you look at these questions and you learn from these and you practice examination questions. Okay, folks.